The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need. Just feeling into the body. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. Then the arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this one opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, and then softening down. And then this hand over here is gonna scoop in front and come all the way up towards the sky. And then coming down, the other hand comes up as we lift the moon. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Gentle rotation. Just never forcing it, just easing in. One more time, lifting the moon. And then this time, both arms scoop across and float up towards the sky, palms face up as we gaze at the moon. Other side, the hands brush across, palms face up, looking up to the sky. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, gazing at the moon. And then circle the arms down and all the way in front as you hug the tree and soften. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the fingertips point up. Very gently rotate to one side, one hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind, making the tiger claws. Other side, breathing in, breathing out. Once again, just a gentle rotation, or this one, if you want, you can do a little more stretch if you have room. One more time, the tiger claw. And then this time, the hands keep going all the way up overhead, fingertips pointing up, then the palms face out and away, spiraling out and down. Breathing in, coming up the center. Breathing out, silk reeling, upward spirals. Spiraling the energy throughout the body, creating healing and vitality, increasing the blood flow and circulation as well. Opening the shoulders, opening the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, silk reeling, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle up and over. Taking your time, the fingertips point down, coming down the center and then spiral out and away. Silk reeling, downward spirals. Spiraling the arms down and away. One continuous flow. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, silk reeling, downward spirals. And then circle the arms all the way in front and hug the tree. And then shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. And draw the hands back in as you shift back, pushing forwards, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow, shifting the weight, feeling the sensations, bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, and then the palms face up. They scoop under, they come all the way up overhead, then the hands spiral out and away. Palms face up, scooping all the way up towards the sky, then they spiral out and away, becoming one with sea and sky. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, becoming one with sea and sky. Very nice. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight as you step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Once again, just going nice and easy and nice and slow. No rush. Nowhere to go. Can you be here now? Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face up, they scoop under, and then all the way up overhead. Then they spiral out and away, scooping all the way around, back under, becoming one with sea and sky. So big open with the arms, just as much as you can comfortably. Breathing. One more time, becoming one with sea and sky. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. And then from here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Then step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. The other hand pushes down, and then circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, parting the horse's mane. This time we'll catch the moon and then spin the moon, making two loose fists, one fist overhead, the other one by the waist as you gently look to the side. Then coming back to center, catch the moon, spin the moon, two loose fists, look to the side. We call this one riding the tiger. Another gentle rotation, just wringing out all that stuck energy so that we can let it flow. One more time, ride the tiger. And then parting the horse's mane one more time to this corner, just to keep it flowing. And then step back in and hug the tree. Take your time. Then the arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Step out to the corner. The bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. The other hand pushes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. Breathing in, breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, parting the horse's mane. This time we'll catch the moon and then spin the moon, making two loose fists. The bottom fist comes up overhead, the other one by the waist as you gently look to the side. Coming back to center, catch the moon, spin the moon, two loose fists, look to the side, or even gently behind. Breathing in, breathing out, riding the tiger. All right, one more time, taking your time. Really going for the ride. And then this time we'll part the horse's mane. One last time to the corner. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. And then spin the moon. Switching sides. All right, this time we'll spin the moon, and then the bottom hand floats all the way up overhead. The other hand floats down by the hip. And then circle it all the way around again. So the bottom arm floats up, and then lean over to the side going up. Very nice. And you can keep doing that, or if you want this time, as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot touches down in front. You're tapping down the toes. And then step back in, catch the moon, step back out. White crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time, the white crane spreads wings. Catch the moon, bottom arm floats up, opposite foot touches down. Step back in, catch the moon, and then spin the moon. Once again, switching sides, the bottom arm comes up, the other hand comes down, leaning over to the side, going up. Circle it around again, and then just the arms at first. No rush, nowhere to go. How mindful can you be? This time, bottom arm floats up, opposite foot can touch down in front, tapping down the toes like you're testing out the water. Step back in, catch the moon, step back out, white crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need. All right, one more time. White crane spreads wings. This time, catch the moon. The arms open up wide, right out to the sides, and the fingertips drift towards each other. The hands float down by the sides. And then leaning over to one side, the same side arm comes up. Leaning over to the other side, that arm comes up. Like you're bouncing the ball in the bubbling spring. Just shifting the weight side to side, bouncing the ball. And then this time, as the arm comes up, the opposite foot can lift. Other side, arm lifts, the opposite foot can lift, touching down as needed. Breathing in and breathing out. Just going side to side. You can always keep the toe down. That still counts. We'll do a few more. Touching down or lifting up. And you can even come up on the ball of the foot, and then coming down. One more time, bouncing the ball in the bubbling spring. And then circle the arms all the way around in front as you hug the tree. Here, both arms drift over to the side, floating down, this time drifting up to shoulder height. And then switching sides. Taking your time. And then this hand here scoops down and comes right out in front to eye level. And then down. Same side, just the arms at first. The hand comes out in front, the other hand by the hip. And then down. This time you can lift your leg if you like. As always, touching down as needed. The rooster stands on one leg. Stepping down. Once again, touching down or lifting up. The elbow right over the thigh. One more time on this side. The rooster stands on one leg. And then from here, the arms drift over to the other side, floating up to shoulder height. And then this hand here scoops down and comes right out in front. And then down. Same side. Once again, just the arms, no rush. The hand comes out in front, the other hand by the hip, and down. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. The rooster stands on one leg. Touching down or lifting up. Once again, letting go of judgment, instead bringing curiosity to your experience. Once more, the rooster stands on one leg. And then circle all the way around, hug the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open up wide. The hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the side, the fountain. Breathing in, breathing out. Just letting go of any tension. As we move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, the fountain. Now this time the palms face down, the hands come forward as you soften the hips and knees. The hands go all the way out and around, and as you rise up, they come back in front. The hands come forward, soften down. The pebble in the pond, sending out ripples in all directions. sending out loving kindness, sending out healing. One more time, the pebble in the pond. Softening down, the arms open. This time, the palms face up. The hands come forward as you soften down. Then the palms face away from each other. They open as you rise up, scooping under, two hands offering. Offering love and compassion. Offering presence. And anything else you'd like to see in the world. Two hands offering, softening down, the hands come forward, palms face away, they open, scooping under, one more time. The two hands offering. This time the palms face up, one hand on top of the other, right by the lower abdomen. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front, gather in the energy to transform into loving kindness and self-compassion. And then down, one more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thanks so much for watching. This class is part of our free monthly calendar program. Please click the first link in the video description below to get the latest monthly calendar, and I'll see you over there.